You want to be a professional TikToker. You want to have all the insights when it comes to your TikTok audience. You want to know their age, country, even their ID. Okay, maybe not even their ID, but a lot of information based on which you can make conscious decisions for your content, like when to post, what kind of a language should you use, or what songs should you use, etc. And this is exactly what you'll learn in this video, because this is a no BS tutorial, and all I want from you is to grab two things. First, a cup of coffee because you're awesome, and second, my free 0 to 10k followers on Instagram guide that you can grab your copy of in the description down below. Even my dog is interested in it, and he doesn't even have an Instagram account. Like this video for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe if you're new. So this is my TikTok account. I only have 2 posts. The first post I did on TikTok went viral, kind of. In my country that's pretty viral, and I have a bunch of insights that I'll show you about it. I can't show it to you right now because I'll get copyright, but I can still show you the insight. First, let me show you how you can get insights or TikTok analytics for your channel, for your video posts, and so on. The first thing you do is click the 3 dots right here and click on manage my account. Here you have an option to switch to a professional account. After you do that, I've already done that. I'm already at a pro account, so I just have to switch to a personal account option. You just click this option, you'll be geared up with a professional TikToker's account with all the insights and nitty-gritty details that you'll probably need and use. So after that, what you can actually do is go back, right, or from here 3 dots, and we have the analytics option right here. And as you can see, I didn't post any videos. I just posted one video in January or something and one video in March, so like 3 or 4 months ago. And you can see if I click here, I've had in the last 7 days I just had 2 views on these videos, had no new followers. You can see the profile visits and stuff like that. If you want to see it per country, for example this video, I can see that the video is 8 seconds long and it has an average watch time of 7 seconds, which means pretty much everyone out of the 30,000 people that viewed it watched it until the end. And this is why it went very viral for my country, which is Bulgaria. It's a very small country, so 30k, as I said, is pretty good, especially for a new video of a dog. This is a viral video that appeals more to a worldwide audience, primarily USA audience. If you want to check it out, you gotta see it. We have 205 shares. I actually see, not just that, I can see that we had people that bought a Beagle because of this. Show this to my dad, we have a dog now. So yeah, this is how you do it. And again, if this video helped you out, make sure you smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps me out. You have no idea how much. And you know what? I'll shout you out your TikTok account. All I want from you is to comment your TikTok account down below and what it is about, so people know and have an incentive to follow it. And the shout out winners on this video are... Remember that a video day keeps the doctor away, and by the end of this video, you should definitely check